What's up, y'all? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to advertise to surfers with meta ads. So let's hop in. So first, you're gonna go, when you're an ads manager, you're gonna go to the side here if you're not already here, and you're gonna click on audiences. And this will bring you into Audience Manager. And I'm gonna show you how to build two different surfing audiences. One is going to be a core surfing audience. So this is gonna be people that we know for a fact are surfers. The next one, we're going to call it a surfer broad interest audience. And this is going to be for people who, maybe have dabbled in surfing but are not core hardcore surfers. So depending on what type of product you have, you might want to target very core surfers, or you want to target a more broad surfing population. So let's dive in. So you're going to create a saved audience, and this is where you can create detailed targeting audiences. We're just going to call this surfing core. And really with when you're targeting core or niche interests, you really want to stay away from really big, broad interests. And so I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So for surfing, Kelly Slater is probably as core as it comes. So we're going to start with Kelly Slater. And we'll add his video game in here too. And then we're going to add in Andy Irons. And from here, we're just going to go into suggestions, really just target and pick out the really top pro surfers that really surfers are really into. And then Surfline, that's the surf forecasting service that if you are a surfer, you definitely use it or know about it. And then Surfing Magazine, Surfer Magazine. We're about like 10.9 million right here. And surfboard is something that is borderline. Should we put it in? Let's put it, check it out. And then it gets us to about 15 million. So I think this is a good core surfing audience. If we do the bigger ones here, it actually gets us to 125 million people. So this is going to get us way too big. And also the surf brands as well. A lot of people who don't surf fall into those. So this is a great core surfing interest audience here at about 15 million people. So I'll type in 15.1 million here. And we'll hit save. Now we're going to create a surfing broad interest audience. So this is for, after you've really tapped out your surfing core interest audience with whatever you're selling, and you want to go broader to people who maybe have dabbled in surfing or maybe want to dabble in surfing, and this is kind of how you can expand out. So we'll call it surfing broad interest. And really we're going to start the same way with Kelly Slater, and we're going to get kind of all those same interests, but then we're going to go beyond it to really broad interests. So let's grab all those surfers again. Surfline, Surfing Magazine, Surfer, Surfboard. And then really just go into surfing, the broad category. Even windsurfing we'll do. We'll do wake surfing. Even stand-up paddleboarding, which is very surf adjacent. Then we'll leave out wakeboarding. I think this is pretty good. Yeah, if you look up here, we're at about 66 million people. So this is about 4x the surfing core audience. So this is kind of where you want to be when making a broad interest. So we'll type in 60.6 million and hit save. Yeah, that's how I would go about targeting surfing interest. Like I said, I would start with a core audience that are surfers, and you could really dive into that, tap into that with your e-commerce brand or whatever you're selling. And then as that audience gets tapped out and costs start to go up, then you'll move on to a surfing broad interest. And then after that, you can go completely broad if you want. Let me know if you have any questions, comment below, or hit me in the DMs on any of the social media platforms. Happy to always answer any questions and help you out with your meta ads.